In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Crosshair tool for precise chart tracking. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, mastering this tool can help you make more informed decisions by pinpointing exact price and time data on your charts. So let's dive in and explore the step-by-step process. First, head over to any cryptocurrency chart of your choice. You can find these on platforms like TradingView, where you can access real-time data for a variety of coins. Once you're there, the next step is to locate the crosshair icon on the chart interface. You'll usually find this icon situated on the top toolbar. It's represented by a small cross-shaped symbol, and tapping it will activate the crosshair function on your chart. With the crosshair now active, you can simply move your finger, or your cursor if you're on a computer, across the chart. As you do this, you'll notice that the crosshair follows your movement, acting like a digital pointer. This functionality is incredibly useful for closely examining specific parts of the chart, allowing you to zero in on the precise data points you need. As you move the crosshair across the chart, it dynamically displays the price and time at any specific point. This means you can easily see the exact value of a cryptocurrency at a particular moment in time. Such detailed insights are essential when you're tracking trends or analyzing how external factors may have influenced price changes. Furthermore, the crosshair tool is particularly handy if you're looking to track the opening and closing positions of candlesticks. For traders, understanding candle opens and closes is crucial, as it can indicate market sentiment and potential future movements. By using the crosshair, you can quickly identify these levels without having to approximate visually. Now, if you find that a particular price point or time frame warrants special attention, you'll want to ensure you're notified of significant changes. Most charting platforms like TradingView offer an alert feature. To set this up, while you have your crosshair on a point of interest, click on the Add Alert option. This will ensure that you'll receive alerts if certain criteria you set are met, keeping you in the loop without having to constantly monitor the charts. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful tool that can enhance your trading strategy by providing precise charting capabilities. By mastering the crosshair tool, you're better equipped to analyze market data and make well-informed trading decisions. Remember, the key to successful trading is not just knowing what to look for, but also having the tools to find it accurately. Thanks for tuning in today, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe for more trading tips and tutorials. Happy charting!